Hi there everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and as warning, this is an unboxing video. There are some people that really don't like unboxing videos, so if that's you, please don't watch the rest of this video. But to anybody else, this is a way for me to let you see what's coming on the channel. So today I have an ukulele to unbox from Koa Kalane. Koa Kalane has been on this channel before. They sent me two instruments in 2020, one to keep and one to keep away to one of my students. They are a company in Hawaii that imports ukuleles that are solid acacia or solid top acacia instruments, and they sell them for ridiculously low prices. And the ukuleles have a ton of features and beautiful woods, and they both rated very highly on this channel. You can see their full reviews later. So the one I'm going to be unboxing is this instrument right here. From its size, you can tell already that it's a soprano. And the other thing I like to point out is this is how you would receive your Koa Kalane. They would ship it just like this, United States Postal Service. And you can also see the cost of what it costs to send. Koa Kalane does not include shipping with the price of the instrument. It's added. But when you take the shipping and add it to the price of the instrument, it's still ridiculously low. You can find Koa Kalane at their website, www.koakalane.com. Or sometimes you can find some of their instruments for sale on eBay and also sometimes on Amazon. But they're all about the same price no matter where you order from, and they're an incredible deal for what you're getting for that price. Very, very good way to get into a solid ukulele or a solid top ukulele made out of acacia. For the record, acacia is not koa. It is not. Koa is acacia, but acacia is not koa. So these are not koa ukuleles. They don't really hide that, by the way, but their name, Koa Kalane, could be misleading. So just be aware that when you're buying one of these, it is acacia and not koa. So let's open this one and let you see what it is. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, light bag, about 3 millimeters of padding. It doesn't say Koa Kalane or anything on it. It does have a light handle, does have a backpack strap, small pocket, and a zipper that goes halfway through the bottom on this one. And here's this one. And I've got to be honest, this is one of Koa Kalane's models that I was actually planning on buying anyway. This is Koa Kalane's Soprano Pineapple ukulele. It's made out of solid acacia. Look at that. It is gorgeous and an incredible price tag that goes with it. So a couple thoughts about this before we tune it up and just play it for you and let you hear what it sounds like before we do a full review. The neck profile is a little different. It's a little rounder than the concerts that I've played. The headstock does not have any inlay in there, nor is there any inlay on the face of it. It doesn't need it. It's just a gorgeous little ukulele. Got open geared tuners that will work just fine. You have a simple 12 fret soprano, which is pretty standard. Yeah, you can get sopranos that have more, for example, 15 frets or so forth, but 12 is sort of the traditional number on many sopranos. Just many have an extended fretboard as well. And again, just looking at it, now you can see the joint. Some of the Koa Kalanes I've checked out have had a solid neck all the way through. So let's tune up this little guy and let you hear what it sounds like. All right, here we go. Lots of sustain on that one. Definitely a bit of a darker tone. However, it does have Aquila strings on it, as labeled. I would personally and will personally put on Martin 600s with this as soon as I'm done reviewing it. But here's a couple more things. And then the other song I've been playing lately. Yeah, and of course it is going to go out of tune because again, strings stretch for a while before they settle in. Um, yeah, it feels a little more substantial as a soprano. Of course, we'll measure it later, but look at that grain. It's very pretty acacia grain all the way through. And again, I do believe that this is a solid acacia model. If I'm wrong, don't worry. I'll update that when I get to the full UkeGuide review. So, Koa Kalane. If you're interested in these, again, www.koakalane.com. You can find these instruments listed there in the area that says special offers. So just be aware of that. And we'll do a full UkeGuide review of this instrument in about a week or two. So thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day. And I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.